Beloved CFO Coordinator, Brother Angelo Eranio Manalo.
We from the District Multimedia of the District of Edmonton, Canada. From the SCAN members and officers here in the District of Edmonton, Canada. From the CBI members and officers here in the District of Edmonton, Canada. From the CWS teachers here in the District of Edmonton, Canada. On behalf of the Kadiwa organization here in the District of Edmonton, Canada.
From the Yellowknife Group Worship Service. From all the ministers, evangelical workers, together with our families, and all the brethren in the Ecclesiastical District of Edmonton, Canada, we would like to greet you po.
Happy birthday po! We love you po!
Thank you so much po.